Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to browse through your Google Chrome or use and download something from a Google Play Store and you have a stable internet connection but nothing works. And to fix this, we'll need to basically identify a problem. And here we have a Google Chrome. We can refresh the page, and as you can see, there's an error, your clock is behind. Next is a Google Play Store, and if we try to open and download anything, there's also the problem with pending, so the download won't even begin. To fix both of these issues, we'll need to open the settings, then move on to the bottom and find the system, enter date and time and set time automatically. If you go back to your Google Play Store and try to install the same app, it should actually begin. Yeah, the same thing with Google Chrome, so we can refresh the same page and it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.